Are you single, by the way?
Yeah, I'm single.
Hey. How do you enrich yourself? How do you ensure that you constantly upgrade and become a better version of yourself?
Currently for me, how I do it is that because I'm currently 24. Yeah, so I believe that
Very young, no?
you also look very young.
Young and entrepreneurial. So are you single, by the way?
Yeah, I'm single.
Hey, to our viewers watching, young, entrepreneurial, with a great positive mindset. Yes. Okay, yeah. Sorry, I cut you up. How do you progress and improve yourself?
So how I do it is that I usually go and network with people. So much I love to network with someone who is more wise, who is in the industry longer, various industry to be exact. Yeah, so take for example, entrepreneurs like you, are doing industry for public speaking for a very long time, very expert in this level. Yeah, of course, I think get to learn a lot from you as well, because lots of knowledge, experience is passed down while you're trying to move on along the way as a business owner. I think there was a lot of values learned from you as well.
I'm still learning those.
Yeah, of course, I go out. Sometimes I go with my brother. Yeah, my brother's also in the financial advisory industry, Terrence. Yeah, so we go out and network with like business owners, learn from them. So it's like real life issues that actually we can hear from them, which is one of the most important things. Because in school usually it's very structured manner where they teach you different chapters, different modules, right?
Yeah.
But when you go out to work, it's not so structured anymore. You need that real life touch,
Yeah.
and that real life knowledge. So we use that to actually help us to enrich ourselves. And of course, self-help books helps as well.
Yeah. Amazing. What we gathered from Jeremy, it's looking at the books, learning out from the learned authors. Also at the same time, going out, meet real people, going listen to their real stories, real experiences, and you never know that you can actually learn a lot from them. This is one of the things that I do value a lot as well.